Hello everyone. Have another unboxing today. These are becoming more frequent, it seems. But this is the way I received it. You can hear things rattling around inside. A little tear. So I will post the blog. Yeah, that's interesting packing job. So let's open this. It was shipped priority mail, so it looks like they use priority packing. So let's just open this up. It's like Christmas. Oh. Ah, that's why they used a flat rate box. Electrical tape. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Yeah, this seller had some pretty horrible feedback on Facebook. I'll link it to the blog post. But this is vintage, so yeah. I'll link the blog post, and the blog post will have the listing on it. So here it is. Oh yeah, just like the other feedback shows, no padding. I really didn't need a cable. Toss that in the trash. Well, no padding. It looks like it survived. Another vintage device. Yeah, I wish it's not been opened before. It looks like warranty void is still there. Logical devices. Don't look like it's been smashed. Too bad. Let's pop the socket. Let's take a peek here. Wire wraps aren't bent. That's a good thing. We'll take this apart and probably in another video. That's what it was purchased for. Okay. Warranty void if seal is broken. Well, let's power this thing on. If it powers up. Don't know if it powers up. It's pretty dirty. Okay, here we go. Ooh, powered up, and we got a good light. That's a good sign. But we'll take this apart later. Or should I take it up, open it up now? Let's open it up now. Why not, right? I have a screwdriver right here. Old strap-on, snap-on. I call it the rapist van. Let's open this up and see what's inside. I was curious. This is vintage. Not sure what year these were made again. Okay, looks like we're gonna have to do these two. Let's open this up. I have to do a critter check. Always do a critter check. Okay, let's void the warranty. Here we go. Yeah, let's just void that warranty. Warranty's void. Let's void this warranty too. Yeah, they did make those illegal. Let's pop that socket off. And this thing, it's metal. Guess it works as shielding, right? All right, here we go. Look at that. What do we have? It's got a Xilinx. XC3030A. It's power supply. Double board stack. Let's see what's underneath, shall we? Well, it's tight. Okay, power supply is disconnected. How many more screws we got? Just a few. Yeah, I guess there's in a big kitty. You know, ones that are a couple 100 pounds floating around the neighborhood in the last couple days. So, and Cotty, she's just been minding her own business. It looks like there's a connector here. Is there another? There's a connector here too. So you got one connector here, one connector here to. There we go. There we go. And back side of that board. Yeah, I don't have that large of PLCC adapter, so it looks like I'm gonna have to make one. Ooh, got a washer. We have a lattice chip. There. We'll peel those stickers off. Uh-oh. Lab Tool 48 control unit. That's what this is. This is a Lab Tool 48 with a different badge. This is Chipmaster 6000, which is a Lab Tool 48. So I will pop a couple of these later on. I'll post the blog page to this. So if I get any dumps off these, I'll post them. But looks like capacitors are Hitano. Haven't heard of that brand before. So yeah, once I get pictures of those labels, I've actually can just do it right here, I believe. Focus in, hit that. I think I could take a, I will. Pop the stickers and see what the chip numbers are. It's gonna need a little tiny bit of alcohol. Get it drunk. Get it drunk on IPA. Oh, that's much better. It's coming off nice now. Okay. That is a W27C512. And let's see what's under this sticker. Yeah. More liquor for the programmer. Hey, that is a Gal 18V10B. So that's probably going to be locked. It's going to probably be another Gal or a PAL. It's another Gal 18V10B. So for sure I'll be dumping those two. And that lattice right here, you can read that. '93LC46, so that is an EEPROM. We'll read that too. So that's what's inside of a Chipmaster 6000, aka a Lab Tool-48. A closer inspection of this board. Looks like a 93LC46 also. That's another EEPROM. So I'm not sure what this Xilinx chip is. I'll look it up and I will post it on the blog. They didn't solder down their transistors. So no Kadi today, sorry guys. So yeah, so Lab Tool-48 driver unit. I knew it looked familiar, but yeah, this was made $99.38, so maybe 38th week of 1999. Makes it pretty old. Made in Taiwan. Yeah, this will get new caps and it'll get all tuned and it'll go into the programmer collection, because you never know. Sometimes you get items that are not supported by one programmer and you need, but they're supported by some oddball weird programmer and you have to go get that programmer. So we will call this one good. Unboxed. Unboxed and mini teardown. So yeah, I definitely, you know, I mean that, if people want to sell stuff and get a good price for it, little IPA, might clean it, like nicotine residue. Yeah, that'll clean up. Little magic eraser and that'll buff right out. Already starting to buff out. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but I'm not going to sit here for hours and clean it. But yeah, that'll shine right up. So we'll catch y'all later.